Hello everyone, Namaskar, welcome to Maths Guidance. So this is the question from exercise 12.2, question number 8, alright, from the NCERT mathematics textbook of class 9, alright. So let us solve this question. The question is like this: a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular, the sides of the triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Okay, so this is the question, and the figure is here. I have drawn the figure. Now this is the floral design on the floor. Okay, now there are 16 tiles. If you see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, you can see like this, number 5, number 6. There is a partition in between here like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 15, 16, it will go like this. 16 tiles there are, and all the tiles are same in size and shape. Okay, the dimensions are all same. So what we do, we will find out the area of one tile, and then we will multiply it by 16, and then we will find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Alright, so let us find the area of one tile. Okay, area of one tile we have to find, area of a tile. Okay, so how we will find it? So we know Heron's formula for finding the area of the triangle. Heron's formula, we will use this formula. What is the formula? Area of triangle equal to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b and c are the sides of the triangle. A, b and c are the sides of the triangle, and s is the semi-perimeter, sides of the triangle, and s is the semi-perimeter. So first of all we will find out what is our s. So here a equal to 35 centimeter, b equal to 28 centimeter and c equal to 9 centimeter. It is given. Okay, 9, 28 and 35 centimeter. Now what is s? S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Alright, so we will find out what our s comes out. 35 plus 28 plus 9 divided by 2, and it will come out 72 by 2. Okay, that is equal to 36. So 36 centimeter is our s. Okay, so now we will find out the area of one triangle or one tile. So let us go to page 2. Okay, area of a tile or area of tile or one tile or triangle. Okay, equal to how much? Equal to root over s. S is how much? Our s is 36. Okay, 36 multiplied by 36 minus 35 multiplied by 36 minus how much? 28 and 36 minus see 9. Okay, 9. So how much it comes out? That is equal to root over 36 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 28, it will come out 8, and here it is 27. Okay, so let us see now what it comes out. That is equal to 36, you can keep it. 8 you have to put like 4 multiplied by 2, and here 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So that, okay, so here we will have that is equal to root over, let us break it out. 36 को हम 6 into 6 लिखते हैं, अगेन 4 को 2 into 2 लिखते हैं, 2 into 3 यहाँ पे है पहले से, और 3 into 3 को रहने देते हैं. इसमें कोई कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होगा. अब इससे हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से एक निकालेंगे, यहाँ से एक निकालेंगे, यहाँ से एक निकालेंगे. सो इट विल कम आउट 6 into 2 into 3 and root over 2 multiplied by 3, that will be equal to 36 root over 6. Okay, so 36 root over 6. Now This is area of one tile or one triangle. Now we have to find out area of 16 tiles. Area of 16 tiles. 16 tiles. How much? Or 16 triangles. You can write 16 triangles. That will be equal to 36 root 6 multiplied by 16. Okay. Now this is the area of tiles. Now the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Okay. Now 50 paise per centimeter square. Let us write it. Now the cost of polishing. Cost of polishing. Okay. Cost of polishing the tiles. Cost of polishing the tiles equal to how much? Equal to, we will write it like this, 36 root 6 into 16 and multiplied by, we will write 1.1 by 2. Now this is 50 paise per centimeter square. In rupees it will come out 1 by 2. So it will come out 2 8 is 16. That is equal to 8 6 is 48 means 8 and 8 3 is 24. 24 and 8. Sorry, 8 6 is 48. 8 4. 8 3 is 24 and 4 28. 288 and then root 6. This is in rupees. Okay. This is in rupees. 288 root 6. Now this is the cost of polishing the tiles. If root 6, value of root 6 has been given, then okay, but you can see in this question there is no such value given, so we will find it out root 6. तो हम इसके लिए रूट 6 का वैल्यू निकालते हैं. चलिए यहाँ पे निकालते हैं रूट 6. ये सब बच्चों को आना चाहिए. ऐसे हम निकालेंगे रूट 6 का वैल्यू लाइक दिस. आई थिंक यू नो ऑल. लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट. तो 2 2 जा 4 करेंगे. 2 2 जा 4 करेंगे. यहाँ पे माइनस करेंगे 2 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे प्लस कर देंगे 2 2 4. ओके. देन पॉइंट. देन 2 0 हम ड्रॉप डाउन करेंगे. यहाँ पे ये 4 बार जाएगा. 4 बार. ओके. 4 4 जा 16 1. 4 4 जा 16 1 17. ओके. ये 48 हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 24. फिर हम 2 0 लाएंगे यहाँ पे. अब ये आप अगर 5 टाइम्स देते हैं, 5 टाइम्स अगर आप देते हैं तो इट विल बी मोर देन 2400. ओके. लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट हाउ मच इट कम्स आउट. 5 5 जा 25. 5 2 5 8 जा 42 42. 5 4 जा 24 24. ओके. सो इसलिए ये 4 बार जाएगा. ऑलराइट. whatever it comes out, leave it. So basically you can say that up to 2 points of decimal you can say that root 6 equal to 2.44. we can say this. Okay. Now this is our cost of polishing the tiles. We will find it out. 288 into root 6. 288 into root 6 means 2.44. we have to find out this value. Okay. Let us find out 288 in 244. Okay. So 4 8 is 32, 2 3, 4 is 32, 3 35, 4 2 is 8 and 3 11. Okay. And again this same value 1152 and 2 8 is 16, 6 1 57 like this. Okay. So it will come out 2 7 2 1 this 702 or just a second, let us do it again. 4 8 is 32, 2 3, 4 8 is 32 plus 3 35, 5 3, 4 2 is 8, 3 11. Okay. Then again 1152. then here 2 8 is 16 6 1, 2 8 is 16 1 17 7, then 1 2 2 is 4 1 5, 2 7 2 1 7 3 10 0 1 702.72. Okay. So this is our cost of polishing 702.7. you can say 702 rupees 0.72 paise. This is what we have to find out, cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Okay. So it's an approximate value. तो आपको कुछ थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस हो सकता है, बट दिस इज़ ओके. दिस इज़ द आंसर. डेसिमल में निकालने में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस हो सकता है. अगर ये 2.45 अगर आप लेते हैं तो हो सकता है थोड़ा और कुछ वैल्यू आएगा, बट दिस इज़ ऑल राइट. 702.72 रुपीज़. ओके. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन एंड आई होप आपको पसंद आया होगा. सो प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़, कीप वॉचिंग माई चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम. थैंक यू वेरी मच.